this is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of a basic Simon Says game. In HTML, there is a main div called mainbox created, and inside this mainbox divs such as heading, command, box area 1 and box area 2 are included. In both the box area 1 and the box area 2, two divs are created, means they include two boxes each, and these are given a class S box. Then at the end there is a button included which says help. Now come to the CSS part. In CSS, I have imported a Google font named Varilla Round, and the body is given a background linear gradient which includes two colors at 90 degrees. Let me show you this background. So, as you can see here, at 90 degrees, two colors are included. Then basic attributes like height, width, background color, padding, margin is given where necessary. Comes to the main part, box area 1 and the box area 2. The box area 1 includes these two boxes which are orange and purple colored, and the box area 2 contains these two boxes which are blue and red colored. So both these box area 1 and the box area 2, these are given display flex and justify content space evenly so that they come in one line and they are spaced evenly. Then to these boxes, hovering effect is also included, in which there will be a black radius, black border that will appear, and the cursor will turn to pointer. See, on hovering these boxes, there is a black radius appearing and the cursor is changing to pointer. Then at the end, a button is also included which says help. So to this button, display flex, justify content, center, background color, height, width, etc. is given, and on hovering this button the cursor will again change to the pointer. As you can see here, the cursor is changing to pointer. Then comes to the last part of the CSS, the computer choice flash and the game over. The computer will talk about this in the JavaScript. So the main idea of this game is that the user clicks on the previous choice of the computer along with the current choice of the computer. So let's start with the current stat, like current status false where the game has not started. Then to access the diffs, we have used document.query selector and document.query selector all. Then there are four level scores, click, num, 0 included, which you'll see later. Then there is a event listener added. Key down is used when you have to press any key and bring a sort of effect. Like if the current stat is false, means ki if the game has not started, then the game will start on pressing any key. And in console part, you'll see the game has started. Then you'll go to the computer select box. The computer will choose the boxes. There is a function created named computer select box. First, the level will increment by 1. Like if the level is 0, then the level will increment to 1. And inside the press any key to start, you'll see that level. Then math.random is used to generate any random number between 0 to 1. So we have four boxes. That's why we have multiplied it with 4 so that there will be any random number created between 0 and 4. And math.floor is used to remove the decimal part of this. Now the computer will choose the options, like if the computer has chosen 3. So it is like 0, 1, 2, 3. This was all about the computer select box. Then we have to know that what box has the computer chosen, and for this computer choice flash a function is created. Set time out means key there will be a computer choice flash. As you can see here, the background color will change to green and there will be a box shadow. Like let me press any key, then there was a green glowing effect on this box. As you can see again, there is a green glowing effect to this box. Now, after knowing this computer choice, let's come to the main box part where the user will click on the choice. So for this e.target.classlist.contains s box means कि the user has to choose the user has to click on these boxes, not on the any other white part of this box. Then when the user will click on the box, you will get the ID of that box. User choice will show in the console part. Then check is a function created. In the check function, as you can see here, if the user choice at that index is not equals to the computer, means कि if the user has chosen the first, if the computer has chosen the first box and the user has chosen the second box, if these are not equal, then the background color will turn to red, showing that the user has lost the game. The current stat will turn to false, means the game will restart again and everything will turn to zero. But if it's equal, like the choice by the computer is equals to the user choice, then the score will be plus 10 and again everything will come on repeat. So let us play this game again. Press any key to start. Let me show you the console part also. Press any key to start. First, this box selected. This, then this, purple, purple, then orange, purple, purple, orange, orange. But if anyhow I have selected the order in the wrong choice, then this background is turning to red, showing you lost, score is 40, and now the game will restart again. So this was all about the Simon Says game.